The Snow Edge is an innovative loader bucket attachment that protects your driveway's surface and also saves your bucket's cutting edge. The device clamps onto your loader bucket in just seconds, eliminating the need for tools or drilling holes in your bucket. Ratchet Rake is introducing a new plastic edge option in 2024. The new pusher plastic edge has a sharper profile than our standard edge, and is intended to be used over even surfaces with the bucket tilted at 45 degrees. The new pusher and our existing standard replaceable edges are interchangeable and are both rated for 32 hours of use over smooth asphalt. This 22 horsepower tractor is being operated with its bucket in the float position when pushing snow. The metal edge of a loader bucket or the metal edge of a snow removal implement can damage the surface of a sidewalk or driveway on every single pass. Fortunately, the Snow Edge has proven to be a convenient and reliable solution to this problem since it was released by Ratchet Rake in 2012. The Snow Edge also extends the depth of the bucket and increases the volume of snow it can push. The top of the standard bucket is currently elevated 28 inches above the driveway. That's 6 to 10 inches higher than a typical 5-foot wide snow plow or pusher. The increased height helps to prevent snow from spilling over the back of the bucket. The Snow Edge loader bucket attachment is also better suited for piling up snow compared to a conventional plow or pusher. The standard plastic replaceable edge is recommended for use over concrete expansion joints, brick pavers, and other uneven surfaces. The new pusher edge profile is intended for use over even surfaces similar to the driveway seen in this video. The replaceable plasticware edges are attached to the metal clamping fixture with a series of bolts and anti-spin slot washers that were developed by Ratchet Rake. The anti-spin slot washers prevent the square necks of the carriage bolts from rotating in the plastic when attaching or removing the replaceable edge. Also, a series of stop blocks are positioned on the underside of the metal clamping fixture and provide additional support to the back of the plastic edge. The Snow Edge can only be purchased at ratchetrake.com in the lower 48 states of America and is shipped fully assembled. The Ratchet Rake is a revolutionary multi-purpose loader bucket attachment that leads the industry in value and versatility. Multiple sizes and connection options are available at ratchetrake.com.